All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator, and I'm going to show you how to do Superscript and Subscript. I'm just going to type out, boom, Superscript. I'm going to put the old 46 for no reason at all. And let's make it bigger so we can see. So I'm going to go up here, Window, and we're going to go to Type, and we're going to pull out Character. Boom. Oh, I have my paragraph there too, but I'll show you another trick with that. Show options. That's what we need. This is where we're at for a super and scrub sub. But you might as well show options on these guys too, because you got a hyphenate there that's hidden. Anyways, back to this 46, and I'm going to select that, and I'm going to go boom superscript, or you can go sub. But if you're if you notice that if you do this, you want to toggle that back off because sometimes it can stay on. If you start typing again, see that it's on already. So make sure that that's toggled off. Otherwise, you're going to be going crazy with what's happening with your fonts. So make sure that you are aware that it's not a select and push and then go away thing. It's a toggle. So that's it, really. Hopefully that helped. That's kind of a pain to find. It took me for a while too. So hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.